So you can able to see my notepad, right?
Yes, sir.
So first I'm giving the definition, then after that we'll start the configuration. Okay. So main important points I will tell you here as per the interview. First point, actually a profit center can consist of a group of one or more department that are grouped together for financial summaries such as profit and loss and balance sheet. Okay. So right now here I'm creating only one profit center, but in live we have more than 100 profit center will be there. Same thing cost center also. So exactly why I need a profit center in the controlling means for preparing the balance sheet and the P&L. And what purpose actually I'm using profit center and CO. The main aim of creating the profit center and CO to analyze the cost of product. How much I'm getting the profit for the particular product, we have to analyze that. And business unit, how much I'm doing the investment in the business. For this purpose, actually we have to maintain the profit center in CO. And in the profit center, we can generate the P&L accounts according to the profit center, and also we can generate the balance sheet also in the profit center based on the business. However, the profit center should only used for internal reporting purpose. For internal reporting purpose, actually we are using the profit center in the controlling point of view. So you understand what I'm telling here, right? Or you have any doubt? You have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. See now, first configuration in the profit center, we have to maintain the controlling area. So maintain controlling area, the T code I'm using here, /n 0K E5. This is the first configuration. Maintain controlling area 0K E5. Enter now and update your controlling area. Yesterday I created now via and click on save option. And here you can see your controlling area via and the standard hierarchy. Yesterday I told you, right? For cost center standard hierarchy, why I need a standard hierarchy means all the cost center I have to assign under standard hierarchy for internal reporting purpose. Same thing here also, all the profit center I have to assign under standard hierarchy for internal reporting purpose in the controller. So here I am giving like this VIPC underscore STDHI. VI means your controlling area 2 digit, PC means profit center, STDHI means standard hierarchy shortcut. Okay. And the profit center local currency. Select year 20 controlling area currency. Click on confirm. And currently I'm using local currency is INR. Update here. And my business starts from 2021. You know that. So you have to activate the year in the profit center. So activate this. Then after that you have to click on save button. So this is the first step in the profit center. And the second step, I have to create one dummy profit center. /n KE59 is the T code to create the dummy profit center. So before that, actually, I'm giving the definition for dummy profit center. You can see the definition here. Dummy profit center is the default profit center for the entire controlling area. It will capture all the posting that do not have a profit center account in the organization. So once I get the raw material from the vendor, the goods move to production. You know that. But there only I can't fix the profit for the particular product, right? So for time being, I have to maintain a dummy profit center. After finished goods, no, this dummy profit center I have to move to main profit center. That is a business. So dummy profit center, the T code KE59 is a T code to create a dummy profit center. Enter now, and here you can see dummy profit center, and I will update here dummy underscore via like this. Okay, and select your basic data, and here type now description dummy profit center, and description, dummy profit center for your company code via, and who is the responsibility person in the dummy profit center and the department controlling and the profit center group. The previous steps I created on profit center group, you know that. Okay, VIPC underscore SDHA. And segment means in which industry actually you are looking the profit. You have to select the industry here. So there are so many industries will be there. Will come down. Select your manufacturer. Okay, there are so many industries you can see here. In which industry actually you are looking the profit. Select your manufacturing and click on save button. See, now you can see here profit center dummy has been created. Like this you have to create one dummy profit center in the controlling. And the next configuration, set control parameters for actual data. Set control parameter for actual data. The T code I'm using here /n 1KEF is the T code. Enter now, and you can see here control parameters for actual posting. Okay, so the T code control parameters for actual posting is 1KEF is the T code. Go to new entries, and our business start from 2021, and here select your line item. So why I'm selecting here line item? After posting in GL, APR, in case if you want to see the profit center in the line item level, means in FBL1 and FBL3 and FBL5, this is mandatory. In case if you are not clicking here, after posting I can't see the profit center in the line item level in FBL3 and FBL5 and FBL1. Okay, so this is mandatory. And online transfer. In case actually this profit center, if you are posting with the MM or SD, so this is mandatory stuff. Okay, and the locked means if you lock here, there is particular here 2021 I can't able to post any profit center in the business while doing the posting. Okay, now uncheck this. Only you click these two items, line item and online transfer, and click on save. Then after that, maintain plan version. Yesterday I told you, version means it's nothing like budgets are planning. So the original budget version is 0. The same T code here also I am using OKEQ version. Enter now. And here standard version you select now 0. Then here double click on settings for profit center accounting. Select this one and go to new entries and update the business area 2021 and select your line item and select your online transfer and exchange rate type. Here I have to update M. M means average bank rate. This one you know already. Then after that you have to click on save button. After this I have to create the profit center group. So yesterday I created cost element group. So what purpose I created yesterday cost element group, you know that. For internal reporting purpose I created cost element group. The same concept I have to create for profit center also. If you want to create profit center group, the T code I'm using here /NKCH4 is the T code. So go to KCH4, enter now, and already I created these two profit center now. One is VIPC underscore STDHO and one more is dummy profit center. You can see here. Still, if you want to add any profit center under profit center group, you can add it. So select here. For example, still if you want to add any profit center, select your lower level. And here I will update the number. For example, as per the business blueprint, actually we have to update the number. For example, 1000. The department is plant 1, like this. So plant one wise, actually if you want to pull the report internally, the department number is 1000. I'll select here same level 2000. Update here plan 2. So plan 12 wise, actually if you want to pull the report internally, the department number is 2000. And select here same level and the plant 3. Wise if you want to pull the report, the department number is 3000. Like that I can add a multiple plant under profit center group for internal reporting purpose. Okay. Now click on save button. Then finally, how to create the profit center. KE51 is the T code to create the profit center. KE51 for creation and KE52 for change and KE53 for display. Okay. So if you want to create the profit center, go to KE51. And before that, here I am giving you an example. So total I created now 3 plant, you know that, under profit center group. Plant 1, plant 2 and plant 3. So plant 1 actually I am doing the manufacturing this under soap, shampoo, oil like that, and plant 2 I am doing the manufacturing this bakery items. Like this actually you have to create the profit center while doing the practice. So right now I will create only one profit center now, soap department. So now we'll go to delete this, update here 11,000. So 11,000 meaning, what is the meaning for 11,000 means? Now I am creating this one, soap department. That is the meaning for 11,000. Now after updating the number 11,000, so select here master data and here analyzing period. Update the business here 2021 and the name. This is like soap department. And the same thing I have to copy here. So who is the responsibility in the department? I have to update the name and department. We are in the controlling now. And the profit center group. So any idea actually which one I have to select now?
Plant.
Correct, plant 1, right? So that's why I'm giving this example and all. You can see under plant 1 only I'm doing the manufacturing this one, correct? So I have to select here plant 1. Select here plant 1 and 1 minute. Yeah, plant 1. And the segment I told you already, means which industry you are looking the profits. So this soap and all coming under manufacturing. MAMF. Type here, select this one and click on save button. See, while saving now, I am getting one error. Any idea how to solve the error?
Connect to status.
Simple, easy only. You can understand easily. What I have to do now?
I think we have
Huh? What I have to do now?
to unblock 11,000 in
Not
profit center.
not unblock and all. See, profit center 11,000 in inactive status. Inactive means I have to make it as a active. That is the meaning, right?
Yes.
So I have to do the active now. So where I have to activate? You can see here, activate button is the right. So select this option. See now you can see in the bottom, profit center 11,000 has been created. Like this, actually you have to create the profit center. Okay. So this is not like a very very
Yes,
small chapter.
now
You understand that, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
So
sir.
finally, where I have to assign this profit center, that is very important. See, for example, if I go to F-02, so this T code handle you know already. So update your document date and the posting date here. Update your company code, currency, and here select your this one expenses, wages. Enter now. Update some amount, and here this handle you know testing 50, and here I have to select this one outstanding expenses. Enter, and here you can see profit center. See, if I select this option, you can see our profit center. You can see two profit center now. One is dummy profit center, and one more is this one, soap department. You can select this one, or you can select this one also as per the business. Now, if I double click now, you can see I added this one. Okay, so this is mandatory. If you're doing any posting, GL or AP or AR in live, cost center and profit center we have to assign all the posting. Then only actually we can able to know the business month end. Okay, but now we'll see cost center. Then I will do one posting. Then you'll come to know. Okay. So cost center yesterday I told you, right? What is the meaning for cost center? Any idea? Yesterday I told you, right? One definition. Where is that? Cost center. Yeah, this definition only yesterday I told you. Cost center means is the area of responsibility where the costs are analyzed. See, for example, if you are running any organization or factory or something, there are so many types of departments are there. Like that's why yesterday I told you here, like production department, HR, admin, accounts, IT. So each and every department I have to analyze the cost in the business. That is mandatory. That's why we need the. So the important function within the cost center accounting are able to process and allocate the cost between assessment and distribution. So how we have to allocate the cost from one department to another department in controlling we are using the concept is called assessment distribution. We have to allocate the cost. Okay. So before this, you can see here what is the meaning for assessment. Assessment means this is used to allocating the cost between primary and secondary. Yesterday I told you what is the meaning for primary and secondary. Distribution means this is used for allocating only primary cost to the cost center. So this is the meaning. So now, first configuration in the cost center, I have to activate the cost center now. Set controlling area. So this T code you know already. /n OKKP is the T code. Controlling area. Enter now. Click on position. Update your controlling area via. Select this and double click on activate components. And here you can see cost center and already activated. In case if you are not activating, then you have to activate. Then after that you have to click on save. So this is the first step in the cost center. After activation only, then I can able to do the configuration and I can able to do the posting. In case if you are not activate this one, then system throw the error while doing the posting and while doing the configuration. Okay. Then after that, second step what I have to do, I have to create a cost center standard hierarchy. So double click this one via now. I already created cost center standard hierarchy. You can see here yn underscore yesterday HL. This cost center standard hierarchy also I told you the meaning yesterday. Cost center standard hierarchy means cost center under a controlling area can be found out in cost center standard hierarchy. So where I can see the cost center means under cost center standard hierarchy I can see it represents a tree structure of controlling area. It shows all the cost center created under it. So what and all you create the cost center in the business, all the cost center I have to assign under cost center standard hierarchy for internal reporting purpose. So cost center hierarchy we have to define before creating the cost center. Okay. So first we have to do the configuration cost center hierarchy. Then after that we have to create the cost center. So cost center standard hierarchy already we created. You can see here yn underscore STDHI. In case if you are not creating here cost center standard hierarchy, and one more T code is there, that is /n/OKE/OM is the T code. Here also I can create cost center standard hierarchy. In case if you forget here means I am telling OKEOM, enter now, and here you can see in OKKP already created, that's why displaying here yn underscore STDHI. In case if you are not creating here, then here is the option is there, create option. Here also you can create cost center standard hierarchy. So already I created, so no need to create one more time. And the third step, cost center categories. So cost center categories means you can see the definition here. Cost center categories, the T code I am using here OKA2. Cost center categories is the default setting in the cost center master data. Cost center categories is the indicator in the cost center master data. Example, admin, production and sales, etc. So I will tell you now what is the meaning for cost center categories. So go to /n OKA2. So why I am creating cost center categories? Cost center categories means so here only I am creating the department. All the department as per the business, right? Production, sales, admin, management, consulting, development, all the departments I am creating here. So if I am creating the department here only, then I can able to track the cost, each and every department. Otherwise, it's difficult for me to analyze the cost. So this is the area I am creating the department as per the business. Okay. So once you create a department here, then the department I have to assign in the cost center master data. So that also I will tell you. Next step, that is the one. So now you understand why I am creating the cost center categories, right? So this is the area I am creating the department as per the business. So once you create a department here, the next T code is cost center. How to create the cost center? The T code I am using here, KS01, is a T code for creating the cost center. K is 01 for creation, and K is 02 for change, and K is 03 for display purpose. Okay. So now we'll go to KS01, and before that here also I'll give some example. So now how we'll create the department I'll show you here. See, now you can see here cost center department is a, so there are multiple departments in the company like a production, HR, admin, accounts, IT, like this. So now I'll create one production department. This is a number. This number and all actually based on the blueprint I have to update here. Okay. So now I will create one department now. I will enter here 11 lakhs. 11 lakhs means what is the meaning? You know that 11 lakhs means now I am creating the production department. Now it's 11 lakhs here, and click on master data, and here which department I am creating now? Production department. Update here production department. Copy this and paste here the same thing, and who is the responsibilities in the department. I will update my name here, and department, and cost center category means the previous configuration. I can see here. So here I have to select a cost center category is number one, production. Select this, and the standard hierarchy already created in OKKP, you know that. So select this, and the business area to update here via, and the currency I'm using here INR. And in case actually if you want to assign profit center, you can assign here. Already created profit center, right? So select here 11,000 soap department. You can assign here. Then after you have to click on save button. Like this, you have to create the cost center in the controller. Now you can see here cost center has been created. So now we'll do the posting. So that is very important. I'm assigning this cost center and the profit center in the posting tab. So before that, I say I have to create the GL. Now I'll go to FS00. Yesterday only I created the GL. Go to FS00. Under direct expenses are yesterday I created raw materials. So here I have to do some changes. So go to control data. Short key instead of 001, I'm using here 008 cost center, and here create bank interest instead of G001, I'm using here G004 cost accounts. Okay, this two is mandatory. So here you have to change short key is 008, that is cost center, and here you have to change field status with G004, that is cost accounts, and click on save. So now the data was saved. So now I'm doing the posting. So I will go to F-02, update your document date and posting date here, and here you have to select the GL, select now raw materials, enter now double time, update some amount, and here I have to select the cost center. I created now production department, select that, select here production, testing, and here 50, and here I have to select now cash or bank. Okay, because I'm purchasing raw material, don't select here outstanding order. So select here cash or bank. So now I'm selecting here ICC bank, enter, update here star, and here I have to assign the profit center also. So select here profit center like 11,000, and update here plus, and go to document and simulate. So now I'm doing the posting. So now I'm assigning now here what cost center and profit center in the posting tab. Like this only we have to do the posting in the real time scenario. Okay. Now click on post. So now you can see document 22 was posted. Then after that I have to check my balance. So go to FBL3N and select your raw material GL here, and click on open item and execute. So now you can see here raw material, how much I am purchasing, 10,000. And here there is no profit center and cost center, right? So now go to layout and click on find option. Type here profit. You can see here profit center. Bring this side. And the same thing we have to assign the cost center also. Type here cost. So you can see here cost center. Bring this side, left hand side, and click on copy. So now you can see in the line item level, actually you can see here profit center and cost center. So like this only we have to do the posting in the live. Okay, you understand up to this what I'm doing now, correct? Hello,
Yes, sir.
you understand this, right? So all the GLs posting or vendor posting or customer posting, we have to assign profit center and cost center. This is mandatory in the posting tab. So if your configuration is right, then you can see the output here like this. In case if you are doing any mistake somewhere, then you can see the output like this. Okay. So only one topic is pending now, that is internal order. So tomorrow I will tell you first definition what is the meaning for internal order. Then there also actually I will do one posting. Then you will come to know. Okay. So tomorrow the same time, maybe 9 o'clock or 8:45 I will connect the call. So tomorrow is the last day. Yeah, tell me. So tomorrow is the last day. Okay. Then after that I am going to my native tomorrow afternoon. In case if you are facing any issue or something in the practice, please tell me in the WhatsApp. And after that, in case if you are planning for S4 HANA, so some badges actually I'm planning to start next weekend, not this week. You can call me and otherwise you can send a message also. In case if you are planning for S4 HANA. But I'm not forcing you to plan in S4 HANA. Based on your interest, you can plan for that. So tomorrow, last class, internal order. The same time actually I will call you. 9 o'clock or 8:45, okay? So thanks to everyone.
Okay.
So tomorrow morning we'll see you again. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.